Hi friends, I'm Matthew Gornell. I am the service manager here at Gillman Subaru.
And I'm Jeff R., the parts manager here at Gillman Subaru.
We just wanted to take a couple of minutes to introduce ourselves and tell you a little bit about our store.
We offer 24/7 online scheduling at GillmanSubaruSanAntonio.com.
We have a vast amount of loaner vehicles in stock for customer pay or warranty work.
We have no appointment needed express service, so you can bring in your car anytime.
And we offer shuttle service within 15 miles of our dealership.
We have an expansive parts and accessory inventory, so most repairs can be done same day.
And we just launched a new program here, a no charge second opinion. So if you bring your estimate and your diagnosis in, let us go to work for you to check the accuracy and the
Fairness of it. If you're seeing this, please follow us because we're also starting a weekly tips and tricks about your Subaru just to teach you more about how your vehicle works.
That's it. Thank you very much.